What is up, guys? This is TV Voltage. I'm gonna be breaking the world record. That's right. It's not gonna be trying to break it. I am gonna break the world record for the most cream-filled donuts eaten in 3 minutes. Look at this. Krispy Kreme. I don't know. All ready to be devoured by me. Iron stomach. We got this camera rolling. We got this camera rolling. All right. Got my audio. Glass of leche. That's milk for all you Spanish speakers. And we got my homeboy Taylor coming up with this stopwatch. Here it comes. Oh boy. You don't even know how much I'm not prepared for this. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Are y'all ready?
Do it.
You're about to start.
Turn it around so we can see.
Weird.
Alright.
7 in there.
Eat like that.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I gotta prep myself. I'm sweating.
This is only a world record. You can do it, man.
It's only a world record. You know, it's not that much.
You ready? Whenever Taylor starts the timer.
Let's go. You ready? 3, 4,
Taylor, let him see the camera. Alright.
You ready? Tell me when.
Go. Furious Pete it. You gotta keep going, man. You gotta keep going like that. You're doing pretty good, Ben. You already got 2 down. It's only been 35 seconds when I just checked it. Keep going. How you feeling?
Like I'm eating donuts. Typical Sunday morning.
Keep going. How much is that? 3? Dang. You got 2 minutes left. Less than that. Come on, go on, dude. You gotta start going faster. It's been 1:45. Yeah, he will. He can do it. You can do it, man. Come on. Ben, come on. You can't stop. You gotta keep going.
He's approaching the
2 minute mark, Ben. Got a minute. Come on, Ben. I believe in you. What is he at? 2:15. Then you gotta go crazy the last 30 seconds. No, that'll slow him down. 2:30, Ben. You gotta speed up. You can't do it. Come on, Ben. Prove Taylor wrong. 2:40. Show him. 2:43 is down to 1 donut. Come on, Ben. You gotta go crazy on this one. Let's see what many times he finishes at. 2:50. Dang. It's 3 minute mark right now. What? Spit it out if you need to. Spit it out. You already failed anyway, you can spit it out. What? You ate 6? What do you mean? So we have another fail.
Yeah, but I want to see y'all eat 6 freaking cream donuts.
7.
I did 6, so. Alright, fine. Y'all eat 7 cream-filled donuts. Y'all come talk to me at my front step.
I could do it.
It's a lot harder than it looks. I give Furious Pete props for doing the stuff that he does. Oh my lord. I tell you what, that was a pretty baller. Pretty good. That was a good video, homie. I even got more donuts. There's 5 of them. Probably eat them tomorrow. So, if you like this, you want to eat. If you want to eat some donuts, you can like. But if you like this video and you like donuts, you want to see me eat more stuff. World record attempt. Sour. I'm not doing like. I ain't doing that.
Just leave us some comments.
Yeah. Oh. Leave us some comments. We are TV Voltage. My name is Ben. It's been a pleasure making this cream-filled video for you. Have a great day. Ooh. It's not gonna be trying to break it. I am gonna break the world record.
Yeah.